I think today is the warmest day of the year so far. Sunshine getting temperatures back into the 60s. Not as cold out there today. Some high clouds are around, but generally a lot of sunshine getting through. And it won't be as cold tonight with the cold air moving out. The wind's now coming in more from the east. Clouds, some high clouds increasing. That will keep it a little warmer tonight. I think we're looking at lows mainly in the 40s. By the weekend, we could be back in the 70s for highs. I think tomorrow probably in the 60s. The clouds, though, may start to increase more Friday and Saturday, so it may take until Sunday to get rid of most of the clouds to really get temperatures going back up again. Temperatures right now, though, 63 in Edinburgh and Weslaco, 63 in Brownsville, 66 in Rio Grande City. And it is going to be still kind of a cool night out there. I mean, temperatures will fall through the 50s here pretty quickly after sunset and probably land in the 40s before midnight and kind of hover in the 40s the rest of the night. You see the winds, though, are still fairly light. A light breeze coming in at times from the east, 10 or 15 miles per hour or less, but very little wind overall still around today. Now this evening, temperatures will go from about the 50s or so, 55 at 7 p.m. through the upper 40s by 11 p.m. and probably only bottom out around 40 to 45 in most areas very late tonight. So no freeze potential, no frost. We did have a lot of freezing temperatures this morning, and I'll show you the actual lows that were reported coming up later this hour. Satellite radar, though, shows just some harmless high clouds going through the skies this afternoon. Might be a pretty sunset, you know. Get those cameras and cell phones ready. You might have a nice colorful sunset out there. Get some of these high clouds I can see on the monitor over there still hanging around. The clouds, though, to the west, they do get a little thicker, and I think some of these thicker clouds may start to spill in late tonight, tomorrow, and Saturday. So we may lose some of the sun. Chances of rain, though, are still pretty much zero, but you might see a sprinkle in one or two spots. We'll show you that here, too. Future track shows just high clouds overnight with mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Still cool tonight, like I said, with lows in the 40s. Tomorrow, though, you know there's a lot more gray on the map. The clouds could thicken up. May not be a completely gray day, but maybe instead of the clouds kind of up there being nice and thin, maybe they get a little lower and a little thicker, so may block out more of the sun, but still should be pretty dry on Friday. Notice, though, as we go through Friday night and into Saturday, the clouds continue to hang around. Even future track shows maybe right there, a couple sprinkles possible. That could begin as early as late Friday night, but into Saturday. So wouldn't worry about rain, but, you know, if you wash your car, you might get like 12 drops on it, just enough to make you angry. And Saturday, though, overall, does look like we'll be in the 60s and near 70 degrees. By Sunday, I think the clouds will break up more and more as the day goes on. So Sunday could be the warmest day, easily back in the 70s. Might even, if we get enough sunshine, might even touch 80 in the upper valley on Sunday. It could be a fairly nice day. So mainly dry, though, Friday and Saturday. Very little, if any, rain. I mean, if there is a sprinkle, we're talking about, you know, enough to just annoy you with a couple spots. So tonight, first 1-5 forecast, down to 43 degrees, partly cloudy skies, not nearly as cold as last night, and winds fairly light overnight from the east, north, and northeast. By tomorrow, back up to 65 degrees with partly to mostly cloudy skies, and winds still fairly light again from the east and northeast. And the first 1-5 7-day forecast, highs mid-60s tomorrow. I think if we had sunshine, we would probably be near 70 maybe in some areas, but the clouds will probably keep it a little cooler. By Saturday, still, the clouds may linger enough to keep it from getting to 70 in spots, but at least in the upper 60s. Sunday looks like a warmer day. Could be a little bit breezy at times, highs around 78. There is a cold front coming through early Monday morning around sunrise. Slim chances of a shower as the front passes, but just a little bit cooler. Highs near 70 on Monday, and then the warm-up begins again with highs near 80 by either Wednesday or Thursday. We'll keep tracking those warmer days ahead in your first 1-5 forecast here. Carrie?